Well, hello, folks. Welcome to the Reflecting Stone. Today, we're patching the tent. I have already come through, clipped away a lot of the excess that the mouse left, and you can see I had cut a round patch. You never want to cut square. Square gives you access points to peeling. So you always want to do a round patch. The Tear Mender is one of the best sealers I have ever used in my life for wall tents. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put some of the Tear Mender into a container, dab it onto the patch. I use my finger. You can use an applicator, a Q-tip, but I am not allergic to any of the rubbers or any of the whatever you want to call it. I am not ill of it. So you want to put a liberal amount. I'm not going to put any on the center. Apply it on. And then you do the same to the outside. That will be your adapter.